My name is Paul Scott, the band is Dodo Wells. This is a song called Jigsaw Puzzle Life.
You never complain. I know it's not your style. Whatever comes your way, you greet it with a smile. You are always thinking about everybody else, always putting other people ahead of yourself. Well, it never worked out right, no matter what you did. Your jigsaw puzzle life never came out like the picture on the lid. I'm sure you have your moments. I know you try your best, but it always seems to me that life is putting you to some test. You know I'm here for you, and I really want to help. I'm sure you cry alone, but no one can really tell. Well, it never worked out right, no matter what you did. Your jigsaw puzzle life never came out like the picture on the lid.
There we are, that was Jigsaw Puzzle Life.